Optimize the processes of preparing Koya to deliver his keynote address.
I'm delighted to be here today to inaugurate the BAT Excise Bonded Warehouse. And I'd like to express my warm congratulations to the BAT staff and management and sincerely acknowledge them for their warm welcome. Ladies and gentlemen, the opening of this Excise Bonded Warehouse is indeed an opportune occasion and one which has been anticipated for a long time. Despite the challenges presented by COVID-19 and the pandemic, each member of the BAT team has contributed positively to achieving this ambition. And I applaud each and every one of you for your hard work and for your commitment towards this particular success. Ladies and gentlemen, I think you all know this, but a bonded warehouse is actually a phenomenon that has risen over the years around the world. And not only do bonded warehouses provide safety and security, but also enable, from a government perspective, also enable the payment of VAT, and I see our friends from FERC's here, and duties on goods to be deferred until they are removed, now allowing businesses obviously to save money in the long run. This particular 16-month-long project, worth about $1.3 million from what I understand, was undertaken by BAT to optimize warehouse execution, which allows for greater storage space and also improved logistical routes for faster deployment of finished goods and for full stock transparency by the means of narrow aisle racking systems. Now, with the capacity, what I understand, to store 50 different stock keeping units, the facility will provide a storage space for BAT products before they are released into the domestic and export markets, and once clearance is provided by the relevant authorities. BAT, ladies and gentlemen, is no stranger to supporting the agricultural sector and Fijian societies. And it has signed up more than 600 Fijian farmers this year to grow tobacco leaf to meet the increased production demands. And this simply significantly tells us how it is supporting Fijian farmers and imparting economic diversity and building a resilient supply chain, to name a few. And earlier in 2019, BAT also connected boreholes, or drill boreholes in Nabua and Rewanga and Wavesi. And this community initiative that you've been involved in, it allows for reliable, clean drinking water. There was about $90,000 involved in that particular project, and has provided villages a sense of relief and improved quality of life with the provision of clean, adequate, safe water. This has positively contributed, and it's very important, it's positively contributed towards Fiji's commitment to the UN nations through the SDGs, and facilitates the right of every Fijian as indicated in our constitution. These products, ladies and gentlemen, are closely connected to our sustainable development goals and Fiji's 5-year and 20-year development plan held in reserve for our country to achieve. So thus far, BAT has commissioned 8 odd boreholes in tobacco farming communities, with a further 2, from what I understand, are awaiting completion. At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to also acknowledge the notable investments undertaken by BAT. And so far, more than $10 million has been invested in the Nabua factory from 2011 to 2014, and a further capital investment of about $8 odd million has been invested in the GLT factory in Nandi, with an additional investment of about $4 million in projected for 2020. Positive signs. In addition to this, I also understand that there's an investment in equipment at the BAT Suva site for purposes of exporting products out to Australia in 2020, and this has also been implemented to ensure process and product improvement. This enables BAT to capture the markets within Australia, in addition to the established markets which have been traditionally performing well. Like any other organization, we understand also that BAT is making continual improvement to optimize business performance and improve the transparency of the particular process. It's a model and example for many other businesses around Fiji. These improvements also, ladies and gentlemen, have significantly resulted in business receiving the Authorized Economic Operator accreditation from the Fiji Revenue and Customs Services in 2018. This is a great accomplishment for any business, and I encourage you all to continue working together and give this bold investment and infrastructure maximum utilization. With those few words, ladies and gentlemen, once again, congratulations. It gives me great pleasure to officially open the British American Tobacco Excise bonded warehouse, and I wish the BAT team all the very best. Thank you very much.